Welcome to another episode of Scrapping Orca, opening my advent calendars. It's the 9th of December and it's time to open them. Let's start with Reprint as usual. Got ourselves a piece of paper here. So let's see what it is. It's a Merry Christmas die. Yay! Let's see how it looks. Really cute. A bit small. Makes it very useful, I think. And now for Jessink. A bunch of texts. Let's just put them on here. I missed one. So ooh, nice. And let's see what Reprint has in store for us for today. I think this says happy birthday. I think. Yeah, it does. So, for today's advent calendar, we got this die from Rockstamp that says Merry Christmas. Really useful. We got a few texts from Jessink that says Merry Christmas, buddy. A small Christmas greeting to you from me. Lovely Christmas greeting. Wishing you a nice Christmas and just Merry Christmas. All of those are from Jessink, and from the Reprint it says Happy Birthday. Good day. Good unboxing. I'll hope to see you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.